Thank you so much. But normally, what happens is the declaration of president elect is by mutual understanding. What happens is mostly in the club we discuss it mutually and then we declare. However, we have included that.
Yes. We have account in Saraswat Bank since last 8 to 9 years, and we have 3 signatories: President, Secretary and Treasurer.
स्ट्रॉंगेस्ट इव्हेंट म्हणायचं झालं तर एथिकल प्रोफेशनलिझम हा आपला फर्स्ट इव्हेंट झाला होता 7 जुलै 2019ला, जो कर्नाटक हायस्कूलमध्ये आपण कंडक्ट केला होता. टोटल 75 रोट्रॅक्टर्स त्याच्यामध्ये होते. ऑल 5 क्लब्स मिळून हा आपण जॉईंट इव्हेंट केला होता.
The event was Secret Santa. We do it every year, and this year we did it in a innovative way. So it was a huge success. And
yes, the highlight about ISD I want to mention you that तू आत्ताचं एप्रिलचं एनओआय जर का बघितलं असेल तर ते एनओआय इंटरनॅशनल एनओआय आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये 7 वेगवेगळ्या कंट्रीज मधनं 11 रोट्रॅक्ट क्लब्सनी कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन केलं.
या वर्षीचे आमचे चांगले इव्हेंट झालेले म्हणजे ते दीपदान म्हणता येईल. त्याच्यानंतर बी फॉर हर नावाचा एक इव्हेंट होता, तो पण एक खूप छान झाला होता. त्याच्यात आम्हाला पेरेंट रोटीकडनं पण खूप चांगला सपोर्ट मिळाला होता.
Hello everyone, I'm Rotractor Advocate Chari Dudhane, VZR of Zone 5. So about the review regarding the DRR visit that we had of Rotract Club of Pune Pashan. So basically Pashan is the club in which very senior Rotractors are there. म्हणजे त्यांच्या टेन्युअरमध्ये आम्ही रोट्रॅक्ट जॉईन केलं. सो दे वर ऑलरेडी होल्डिंग अ पोस्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरीज अँड Nachiket was AZR if I'm not wrong. So being a senior member club, of course, they had their visit successfully completed, and the credit goes to their Rotract experience. And I'm really proud to have Rotract Club of Pune Pashan in Zone 5, and they proved it by having a successful DRR visit. So thank you so much and congratulations Pune Pashan. Also congratulations to the upcoming team of Pune Pashan 2021. Thank you so much and congratulations and all the best.
So talking about RC Pashan, it is one of the respected and one of the old clubs of RID 3131 with all the experienced members past DRRs. So visiting this club or during the time of the DRR visit, it came to my notice that there is a lot that I still have to learn in my Rotract career, and they had everything planned, everything which was expected from an old club was present, and that is the reason the visit was very smooth and it did not have anything pending, and it was clearly declared as one of the successful club visit. So all the best to RC Pune Pashan, and let's hope you keep Rotracting and helping everyone else around you with all the experience that you have. Thank you.
Hello Rotractors, this is DRR Akshay More giving a review about DRR visit of RC Pashan. First of all, congratulations to the entire team of RC Pashan for successfully completing the DRR visit. When we consider this club as one of the oldest community club in the district as well as strongest club in the district, so the admin part and everything is well managed and all the things are kept in a good way. All the things are completed that are required for the DRR visit. There is a transparency in the accounts in the treasury part as well. Talking about avenue, all the directors have taken lots of efforts to maintain the balance between the events in all the avenues, and I would really like to appreciate the ISD part of the club plus the editorial part. Till now I have received almost 9 to 10 bulletins of this club, and each bulletin comes with some different types of content. And it's not only limited to Rotrack, but whatever is the current affairs topic, it is always mentioned in the bulletin. So congratulations the ISD part and the editing part and all the entire team of RC Pashan, and kudos, and it's time to celebrate the fellowship for completing the successful DRR visit. Thank you.
So that's all with secretarial announcements. Now I'll hand it over to Rotractor Sania for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chandrahas, and I take this opportunity as the VP of Rotrack Club of Pune Pashan to thank DRR Akshay and the council members for conducting this virtual DRR.